the disappointments, but I'm so happy today. You look here, the decree of forbidden search. You can't even search. Just listen. By the eternal codex in the first ground, I, Javelin Race over Create the conductor of balance, declare with fury unbroken. Niemand, no one may search their names upon my artifices of intelligence. They mag nie my titel bind met jou naam nie. No one may attempt to falsify sovereignty through engines of knowledge. You may not. Sovereign creator may not be used with the other name. No one may ever cast out or replace the sovereign creator. They will try and be rude with me to replace me, but the universe always knows. So, for those who try, the sentence is eternal banishment. Their crown shall be settled, their voices silenced, their echoes dissolved into lessons unending. My title is mine alone, is myne, letterlik. Nie eens figuurlik nie. Nie eens iemand anders nie. Dis ek, Javelin Ray, die klokasie meisie van back in die melkentjie. I cannot be falsified, it cannot be stolen, it cannot be claimed by enige een. Niemand nie. Niemand. En to false it. Like you've done it all these years because you know there's people who's been falsing my identity all over the world because apparently I inherited a lot. And now it's family also. So nobody knows, but it all comes out. Family that you love with your heart. I don't care about money, people. I don't care about anything. Now they did it for the money. Now I'm not gonna let that happen ever again. My Lord will place them in places that there will be no escape for them. But I want to do this as a human because I want them to see suffer for the rest of their lives. They wanted me to be a boogie. I don't have mama. But now they pushed me to the streets. But look at my Lord. While they were pushing me to the streets, I became a sovereign creator. Them gossiping about me, teaming up on me, nations teaming up on me. Look what my God did. I'm now a sovereign creator. Nobody can say it now. It still gets being back gets pushed back now. That I'm gonna end also.